Good morning, welcome to AYPS. We've got a really exciting event this morning with our grade 12s. We have a Chinese tea ceremony for those students that aren't going to Shanghai this week.
This is Crystal from AYPS School. So today on Friday we have an amazing event. Grade 12 students enjoy the Chinese tea ceremony. Let's go inside and explore. So from traditional Chinese restaurant, we bring those amazing breakfasts. We have youtiao, we have ma tuan, we have 鸡蛋卷, and we have 小笼包 as well. They are amazing. On the right side, you see there's huge dragon that you can use for the dragon dances, and it's a great way for the student to understand Chinese culture. And if we go on, we'll see the traditional Chinese dress. They are red and white. I feel like if you want to try Chinese dress or Chinese culture, you can wear one. Then we come to the tea set. We will perform tea ceremony later on with those girls. And the girls love tea and tea ceremony. This is the other set. If you look up, you see traditional Chinese umbrellas and the kite and the small lantern is the best for decorating the festival to make it more traditional, more close to China. And then the last session will be something we're going to explore later. We will have a Chinese calligraphy workshop and Chinese art workshop. Those are all from our students. They are the experts now. And at the end, you see some work from the students. They demonstrate how China and UAE combine together their culture differences and similarities. And again, their horizon it's expand because of Chinese class. You see them, their vision is not on UAE or China. They want to bigger their vision to the whole world. That's the student from the AYPS. We are so proud of them. Thank you so much.